a lot of...
No, I'm going over here. I'm gonna fix the machine.
So we came in this morning, we had a power failure. And grab our new fluid that we have over here. It's gonna smell really fresh.
My name is Jason Ananzello. I've been here for 2.5 years. My position is millwright apprenticeship.
I'm the industrial mechanic millwright over here at MPC Plastics.
My name is Jordan. I begin at 6:30.
How's your day this morning?
Good. How do you like my handwriting?
I love it.
Yeah?
It's great.
I do a little bit of everything. I do some building maintenance, I do some machine maintenance, and I do property maintenance. We currently have 2 buildings. Both buildings have grass that needs to be cut. We have a lunchroom in each building and 2 bathrooms in one building and 3 in another. We stock those bathrooms as well as clean them on a regular basis. Jordan is currently in that position, and he does a great job.
I wake up, get ready, get over here, start the day off by having the cart ready. We want to make sure that all of our materials and everything else are straight and in order.
Machine maintenance is quite detailed. Every single piece of machinery needs to have something done to it every month. We have a schedule, and we repair all of those when needed. The previous valves looked like this. Sabrina, which is our plant manager, she happened to walk by it, and she bumped it with her leg, and it opened up the valve and it burned her on her leg. So we replaced them all with these style valves, which you have to manually turn and shut them off, and that now stops any potential hazard. Safety is always before maintenance and anything we repair. The movement between both buildings is definitely the highlight of the day. You can expect to have a slow day one day and you come in and it's going to be the busiest day of your life.
I got to drive this truck called Lahino, and it was the greatest truck I've ever driven. I was merging on the highway and I was praying to God, making sure that I can merge correctly. That was one of the most interesting things I've done. Just gotta make sure it's safe before I leave.
Maintenance is a well-oiled machine.
We all have different skill sets
that we use to support each other
And keep things running. Thank you.